All right, here we go. All right. So, just came back from the barber shop, and I'm real particular about my hairline, and you probably know where I'm going with this. Look at this. I'm, you know, he's been cutting my hair for a while. Like I said, my boys, I think he does a phenomenal job with my boys' hair. He gets it right pretty much all the time, and the boys seem to work real well with him and everything. But yeah, man, today's my birthday, by the way, and I am just not happy with this. And I'm not the kind of person to call you out, you know, and everything like that. I don't want to call you out in front of a whole bunch of potential customers you can have and everything like that. But I almost feel like I want to call them back and be like, hey, man, look, I didn't want to say nothing in the barber shop. Like, you really jacked up on my hairline, dude. And let me show you something. I'm not oblivious to me getting older and hairlines receding and everything like that. I get it. I get it. But most barbers, they want you to go out there feeling good, man. And they're gonna try their best to give you the hairline that you initially had. And this is not the work that I was expecting. Now, if you look right here, you see where the light area is? You see that? That light area, that's where my hairline is. I don't know why he wanted to go back and just cut it back further than it was, but he did it. Now look, I'm trying, I'm not one of these guys that's, like I said, I don't deny shit. I know that my hairline is receding, but the least you can do is bring this shit down to where it was. And I don't want to go back each time, and he's cutting it back further each time. The next thing you know, I'm just gonna be like, low. I'm not, at this point, I don't know if I'm gonna go back to him. I really don't. And when I do go back to him, I'm going to ask him, I'm like, hey man, I want you to get my hairline straight across as possible, if you can. And I'm gonna do it in a very calm way. I'm not gonna, be loud about it or anything like that. But he's gonna know that how I felt about this last haircut. And this is ridiculous. My boy Hydro, he hooks me up. Every time he got coming here. Maybe I should just start going back to him. But it's such a long wait, man. I don't feel like being. If I want to go somewhere, I don't want to be waiting in the barber shop for just this one barber to cut my hair. It's ridiculous. I know guys do that all the time in the barber shop, but man, you got to educate these barbers that can cut hair, but they don't know how to cut your hair. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you can get it or not, but it's just a thing, man. You got your custom barbers, man. And this hairline thing is just not him right now. It's just not. But anyway, I'm gonna go out here looking crazy as shit. You know what I'm saying? Because I was gonna put a hat on or something like that, but nothing goes with this that I got on, and it just looks crazy as hell. So I'm gonna go out looking crazy as shit. You feel me? And I just wanna go with it, man. It is what it is. But I'm gonna let my hair grow out. And see where it goes from there, man. I don't know what to tell him. I think next time, though, man, I know for a fact I'm going to tell him, look, man, just cut my shit straight across. Straight across. It's not that hard. I don't care if you don't see hair there, whatever. Just try to make it straight across as possible. Straight up. I mean, no, not feeling it. But anyways, y'all have a good one. I think I'm going to post this shit up on YouTube. And I'm probably going to get some criticism, which I don't really care because the criticism doesn't bother me. But anyways, y'all have a good day. All right.